Hello and welcome, dear listeners. Welcome back to Slow and Simple English. This is the podcast where we speak slowly, use simple words, and help you feel relaxed while learning. I am your host, Anna.
And I am David. Hi, everyone. It is so nice to have you here with us again. We hope you are having a good day. Maybe you are on a bus, or maybe you are just sitting in a quiet place. Wherever you are, we are happy you are listening.
Today, we have a very special episode. It is a little different from our normal shows. Usually, we talk about daily life, food, or travel. But today, today, we are going to paint.
Paint? Anna?
I did not know you could paint.
Well, David,
I am not a famous artist, but I enjoy painting. It helps me relax, and I thought, why not combine painting with learning English? That is a wonderful idea. So today, while Anna paints a beautiful picture, we will speak slowly and clearly. You will learn new words about colors, actions, and nature. And the best part, you do not need to paint. You can just close your eyes and imagine the picture in your mind. Yes, so let us begin our special episode. Today, we are painting a sunset. Okay, Anna, what do we need to paint a sunset?
good question, David.
First, we need a canvas. A canvas is the white cloth where we paint. It is like a blank paper, but stronger. Say it with me. Canvas. Canvas. I have a canvas in my hand. It feels rough, not smooth. Exactly. Next, we need brushes. Brushes are the tools we use to put paint on the canvas. One brush, two brushes. Repeat, brushes. Brushes. I have a big brush and a small brush. The big brush is for the sky. The small brush is for small details. Very good. And finally, we need paint. Today, I will use acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is bright and dries fast. It is easy to use for beginners. What colors do we need for a sunset? We need warm colors. Warm colors are colors like red, orange, and yellow. They make us feel warm, like the sun. We also need some cool colors. Cool colors are blue and purple. They make us feel calm, like the evening sky. So for a sunset, we mix warm and cool colors. Exactly, David. You are learning fast. Now, let us start painting. First, I take my big brush, I dip it in water, then I put it in the paint. The first color I choose is cadmium orange. Cadmium orange. That is a long name. Can you say it slowly? Of course. Cadmium orange. Cadmium is a type of metal, but here it is just the name of the color. It is a very bright, happy orange. It looks like a pumpkin, or like the fruit orange. I love this color. It is so warm. Now, where do you put the orange on the canvas? I put it near the top, but I do not put it everywhere. I leave some space. Then I take a little purple. Purple is a cool color. I mix the orange and purple slowly with my brush. So you mix them on the canvas? Yes, I blend them. Blend means to mix two things together smoothly. Watch my brush. I move it in circles, round and round. This helps the colors mix softly. Blend. That is a good word. Can you use it in a sentence? Sure. I blend the orange and purple to make a soft sky. Now you try. I blend the colors with my brush. Very nice. So now the sky is not just orange, it is orange and purple together. Exactly. And look, now we have a soft violet horizon. Violet. That is another word for purple, right? Yes, violet is a purple color. It is a little more blue than purple. And horizon, do you know horizon? Is it where the sky meets the land? Perfect. The horizon is the line far away where the earth and the sky touch. So soft violet horizon means a gentle purple line where the sky meets the ground. Okay, we have a beautiful sky, but where is the sun? Good question. The sun is the star of our painting. I will paint it now. What color is the sun? Yellow? At sunset, the sun is not always yellow. Sometimes it is orange, sometimes it is red. Today, I will use a mix of yellow and orange. I call it ... golden. Golden. That sounds beautiful. Like gold. Yes, gold is a precious metal. Golden means it looks like gold. So I paint a round circle. Round like a ball. The sun is a circle. And where do you put the sun? I put it near the horizon. In a sunset, the sun is going down. It is low in the sky. So I paint it low, just above the horizon line. I see. And the sun is very bright. How do you show that? Another great question. I do not paint the sun too dark. I keep it light. And around the sun, I add more yellow. This is called a glow. Glow means soft light. Glow. The sun has a warm glow. Yes. Now, do you see how the colors change? Near the sun, the sky is bright orange. Farther away, the sky is darker purple. This is how we show distance. Near things are bright, far things are darker. A sunset is not complete without clouds, right? You're right, David. Clouds make the sky more interesting. But I will not paint too many clouds, just a few small ones. What color are sunset clouds? They can be pink, orange, or even purple. It depends on the light. Today, I will use a little pink. Pink is made from red and white. It is a soft, sweet color. Pink clouds, ... That sounds so pretty. To paint a cloud, I do not use a brush like this. No, I use a dry brush. A dry brush has very little paint. Then I touch the canvas lightly, up and down, soft like a feather. A feather? You mean the soft thing on birds? Yes, a feather is very light. So when I paint clouds, I move my hand lightly. This makes the clouds look fluffy. Fluffy means soft and full of air, like a pillow. Fluffy clouds. I love that. So we paint slowly, softly, lightly. Exactly. And while I paint, I breathe slowly. In ... and out. This helps me relax. You can try too. Breathe in ... and out. Feel calm. Now we have a sky, the sun, and clouds. But what about the land? What is below the horizon? Below the horizon, I will paint a simple landscape. Today, I choose a field. A field is a big open area with grass. A field. What color is grass? Grass is green, but at sunset, the green looks different. It looks darker. Sometimes it looks almost black. So I mix green with a little blue and a little black. Dark green. That makes sense. The sun is going down, so the land becomes dark. Yes, and I do not paint every small detail. I just use my brush to make quick, short strokes. Stroke means one movement of the brush, up and down, like little lines. Strokes. So you paint the grass with quick strokes? Exactly. This shows that the grass is moving. Maybe there is a little wind. Wind. That is a nice detail. So the painting feels alive. Yes, and in the field, I add a few small flowers. Just tiny dots of white and yellow. Dots are small, round marks. Dots, like little circles. That is simple but beautiful. Anna, the painting is almost done. Let us look at it together. What do you see? I see a beautiful sunset. The sky is orange, pink, and purple. The sun is golden and low. The clouds are soft and fluffy. The field is dark green with small white flowers. And how do you feel when you look at it? I feel calm. I feel peaceful. A sunset is a time to rest. The day is ending. Soon it will be night. That is a wonderful feeling. And you know, learning English can feel like this too. It does not have to be stressful. We can learn slowly, calmly, and with joy. Yes, that is our message today. Learning a new language is like painting a picture. You do it step by step, you make mistakes, you try again, and in the end, you create something beautiful. Now, let us review some important words from today. Anna, can you say them slowly? Of course. Listen and repeat after me. 1. Canvas, the cloth where you paint. 2. Brush, the tool for painting. 3. Paint, the color you use. 4. Blend, to mix together. 5. Horizon, where the sky meets the land. 6. Sunset, when the sun goes down. 7. Calm, relaxed, not worried. Great words. Now, can you use one in a sentence, Anna? Sure. I feel calm when I paint. Now you try, David. I see a beautiful sunset. Very nice. And listeners, you can try too. Write a sentence in the comments or just say it out loud. Practice makes perfect. Now, we will do our special slow repeat section. I will say a sentence slowly. Then you repeat. David will say it too. Ready? Ready? Sentence 1. I paint the sky. The is orange. I paint the sky.
Good.
Sentence 2. The sun is orange. The sun is orange. The sun is orange. Sentence 3. I mix the colors. I mixed the colors. I mix the colors. Sentence 4. The clouds are fluffy. The clouds are fluffy. The clouds are fluffy. Sentence 5. I feel calm and happy. Feel and happy. I feel calm and happy. Excellent! You are doing so well. Anna, can you tell us a short story about a sunset? Use simple words. I would love to. Close your eyes and listen. Every evening, Maria sits by her window. She looks outside. The sky is orange and pink. The sun is going down. It is quiet. She hears the cup of tea. She smiles. This is her favorite time of day. The sunset makes her feel peaceful. She thinks about her day. She is grateful. Tomorrow is a new day. But now she rests. That was beautiful, Anna. So simple, but so warm. I could see the picture in my mind. Thank you, David. That is the power of words. With simple words, we can create big feelings. Well, dear listeners, our painting is finished. Our sunset is on the canvas, and our English practice is almost done. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We hope you learned new words, and we hope you feel relaxed. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You just need to try. Every day, a little step, like painting, one brush stroke at a time. If you liked this episode, please share it with a friend who is learning English. You can also follow us on Spotify or wherever you listen to podcasts. And if you have ideas for future episodes, let us know. What do you want to learn? What makes you happy? We are listening. Until next time, keep practicing, keep dreaming, and keep painting your own beautiful life.
This is David.
And this is Anna. Goodbye, and take care.